The SlingTV Box S5 Max represents a new standard in home entertainment, combining cutting-edge hardware, vast content access, and global usability into a single, user-friendly package. Designed to eliminate traditional cable costs and limitations, this all-in-one IPTV solution is perfect for streamers, sports lovers, and families looking to enjoy premium TV without recurring fees. At the heart of the SlingTV Box S5 Max is a robust configuration featuring 4 gigabytes of DDR memory and 128 gigabytes of eMMC storage, ensuring smooth multitasking, fast boot-ups, and generous space for apps and data caching. Paired with Android 12, users benefit from a modern, responsive interface, enhanced security, and compatibility with the latest apps and streaming platforms. Whether you're browsing menus, switching between channels, or playing back 4K content, performance remains fluid and uninterrupted. Perhaps the most compelling feature of the SlingTV Box S5 Max is its zero subscription model. You pay once for the device, and that's it. No monthly cable bills, no hidden fees. With support for 4K and 6K Ultra HD resolution, plus high dynamic range, HDR, the SlingTV Box S5 Max ensures every frame is crisp, vibrant, and fluid. Whether you're watching a movie or a live sports game, the difference is instantly noticeable, bringing cinema-quality visuals into your living room.